everyone, welcome to Learn With Me. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 30 daily useful English sentences which you can use in your conversation. I hope guys this video will be useful to you. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence है, मैं कुछ भी समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I can't figure out anything. I can't figure out anything. मुझे खबर देना मत भूलना. Don't forget to inform me. Don't forget to inform me. इसकी आदत मत डालो. Don't get used to it. Don't get used to it. वो बहुत बोलती है. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. तुम कितने बजे निकलोगे? What time will you leave? What time will you leave? अच्छा अब मैं फ़ोन रखता हूँ. Well, I hang up now. Well, I hang up now. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. मुझे अभी जाना है. I have to go now. I have to go now. जाने दो हमें क्या? Leave it. What do we have to do? Leave it. What do we have to do? मैं बस उसकी टांग खींच रहा था. I was just pulling his leg. I was just pulling his leg. ठीक है, जैसा आप कहें. All right, as you say. All right, as you say. मेरे पास शाम तक का समय है. I have time till evening. I have time till evening. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि ऐसा हो. I didn't want this to happen. I didn't want this to happen. अंधेरा होने के बाद बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out after dark. Don't go out after dark. दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. Even the walls have ears. Even the walls have ears. तमीज़ से बात करो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. ये होना ही था. This had to happen. This had to happen. बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't play with words. Don't play with words. मैं तुम्हें क्यों बताऊं? Why should I tell you? Why should I tell you? वह दूसरों से अलग है. He is different from others. He is different from others. कमरे को साफ रखो. Keep the room clean. Keep the room clean. अब रोना बंद करो. Now stop crying. Now stop crying. मौज मस्ती करने का समय है. It's time to have fun. It's time to have fun. मुझे कोशिश करने दो. Let me try it. Let me try it. ज़रा इसे चखकर देखो. Just taste it. Just taste it. मैं उसकी नस नस से वाकिफ हूँ. I know with every inch of him. I know with every inch of him. मैं पूरी रात सोचता रहा. I kept thinking whole night. I kept thinking whole night. किस्मत से मैं वहाँ नहीं था. Luckily I was not there. Luckily I was not there. वह अभी तक नहीं आया है. He has not come yet. He has not come yet. मैं सचमुच आपकी सराहना करता हूँ. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you.